Welcome to DIYVitas. Today, we're making a refreshing mango lime soda and creamy mango delight. First, we will need to prepare some ripe mangoes. Start by peeling the mangoes carefully. You can use a knife or a specialized peeler like the one I'm using here. As you can see, mango is the main ingredient in today's recipes. Mangoes are naturally sweet, juicy, and rich in vitamins, making them perfect for refreshing drinks and creamy desserts. They also add a beautiful tropical flavor and vibrant color that makes every drink look even more delicious. Today, these fresh mangoes will be the star ingredient for our mango lime soda and creamy mango delight. After peeling the mangoes, we will cut them into small pieces. The next step is to prepare 2 glass cups for our mango lime soda and creamy mango delight. We will make the mango lime soda first. First, add the chopped mango pieces into the glass. Add about 3 to 4 pieces of diced mango. Next, use a muddler to mash the mango until it becomes soft and smooth. Next, we will add ice cubes until the glass is full. Now, slowly pour the sparkling soda into the glass until it is full. For the final step, add a few slices of fresh lime into the glass. And now, we have a delicious mango lime soda, a perfect refreshing drink for hot summer days. The steps are really simple, aren't they? Next, we will start making the creamy mango delight. First, add the chopped mango pieces into the glass. Then mash the mango until it becomes smooth and soft, just like we did with the mango lime soda. For the creamy mango delight, we will use more mango than we did for the mango lime soda. Next, we will spray a thick layer of cream on top. This will be the second layer of our creamy mango delight. Next, add the pre-cut mango cubes, about 1 to 2 centimeters in size, as the third layer. We will continue adding another layer of cream and another layer of mango to create a beautiful multi-layered creamy mango delight. Now, let's take a look at the final result. We have a delicious and beautiful creamy mango delight and a refreshing mango lime soda ready to enjoy. Thank you for watching my video about creamy mango delight and refreshing mango lime soda. Have a wonderful day, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to watch more upcoming videos on DIYVitas.